Ganymede, and we are here to present our project for ICS 414 Summer 2017, and it's called Ambient. So we're going to start out with showing you our functionality of our system. So our system includes showing the color and the brightness level of the circle, and that emphasizes the data accordingly to the website that we collect data from. Our user interface allows which information to view based on selection, and the system will show the correct color and brightness based on data reported. For the water control system, colors range upon the differences between inflow and outflow of our basin. So for example, now we're going to the website. We collect data an hour prior to the current hour because sometimes current data is not available. So as you can see, the hour prior is say the outflow is 6,520 and the inflow is 2,612. So based on our range, that will be green because the outflow is more than our inflow. And you can see the brightness level of our circle right now is very dim or dark. So the temperature here is 63.6 degrees, and it's upon our ranges that will be set to anything that is less than 65 will be very dim, anything greater than 80 will be very bright, and anything between 65 and 80 will be set to 0, which is normal or regular.
Our second one was about incidences in Hawaii. So as you can see, majority of the circles are green, but we have one that's yellow, and that's from this website from Go Akamai. It currently shows that there's only one construction incident that's going on, so that's why our circle is yellow. If there's one or two instances, it'll be yellow, and if there's 3 or more, it'll be red. So right now there's only one construction, that's why it's yellow. And then down here we have this user interface where we try to have the users input when they wanted to see a yellow. For example, if they wanted it to see a yellow when there is only 2 instances instead of just one, they could input 2 and then input when they want to see the red one. So say like at 4 and then submit, and then it would theoretically work. But this was one of our unsuccesses where we tried to implement it, but it didn't work in time before we turned it in our project.
Okay, so lastly, the report shows surf forecast. So the color will be based upon the height of the tides in Ala Moana bowls. So right now it's 1 to 2 feet. So anything less than 4 feet, it will be green. Anything between 4 to 6 feet is going to be yellow, and anything higher than that is going to be red. And there is where I get the report from surfline.com.
So overall, we used Eclipse along with JSoup, Java, FX, and Maven to do this entire project. And in order for us to test it, we had to hard code in different values to make sure that the colors come out. So we made sure that there was values that were meant to be red are red, colors that are meant to be yellow are yellow, and the brightness as well.
Okay. And so the only thing that we haven't mentioned, well, we kind of mentioned a while ago, was our function that are not successful was we wanted to be able to have an option to view multiple reports or having the user manually input values, but it didn't really work. So that was not successful. And in the beginning, we also tried having scale value for the colors, but it turned out to be not applicable. So we just get rid of that. And that is our overall project. Anything you would add?
I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.